Ready to ditch the phone and snag tickets to your next epic adventure right from your couch? First, power on your Xbox and navigate to the Microsoft Store. It's usually found on your home screen. Once in the store, use the search bar at the top to type in Gametime. You will see the Gametime app appear in the search results. Select it to proceed. Now, click the install button to download and install the Gametime app onto your Xbox. Once the installation is complete, launch the Gametime app directly from the Microsoft Store or from your Xbox home screen. Once opened, you'll be greeted with the Gametime interface. Browse upcoming events, including concerts, sports games, and more. Select an event to view available tickets, seating charts, and pricing options, allowing you to pick the perfect spot for you. When you've found your ideal tickets, proceed to checkout to securely purchase them directly through the app using your preferred payment method. After completing your purchase, your tickets will be delivered directly to your Gametime account, ready to be scanned at the venue. Now, you're all set to experience your favorite events on the big screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.